Hey guys, Joy here, and who are you?
Vienna.
Vienna, what are we gonna make today?
Chocolate chip banana bread.
Okay, so this chocolate chip banana bread is one we make all the time. It's nut-free, it's gluten-free, and it's really, really delicious. So obviously when you make a banana bread, you've gotta mash the bananas. So can you do that for me, Vienna?
Mm-hmm.
You don't have to add maple syrup to this recipe if you don't want to, if you've got super sweet bananas, but we're gonna also add maple syrup for some natural sweetness too. So if you can't eat bananas, if you have a banana allergy in your home, you could also use applesauce as well. And I would say 2 bananas would probably be about half a cup of applesauce. Okay, so we're combining all of our wet ingredients first, and we've got 4 eggs. We're doing a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. I like to use very dark maple syrup because I just love that flavor, but honestly any maple syrup will do. Okay, so we're gonna mix up the wet ingredients. We're also gonna add melted coconut oil, but we're gonna add that last just so we don't wanna put the warm melted coconut oil in this because it will cook the eggs a bit. Okay, so let's do our dry ingredients. So it's just coconut flour and brown rice flour. That's it, equal amounts. Now I'm also going to add baking soda and baking powder. Okay, so let's dump that in. And we're going to add some cinnamon and some nutmeg as well. It just adds, I just love the flavor of those 2 wonderful spices together. So mix that up. Okay, so now we're gonna add our wet ingredients to our dry. Vienna, do you wanna do this? Okay, perfect. And now I'm gonna grab the melted coconut oil from over here. We're gonna add in, yeah, it's
hot.
It's cooled off now. So we're gonna add our coconut oil right in there. We're going to mix. Okay, you mix.
Mix.
Okay, here's the key thing. When you're making a recipe with coconut flour, don't freak out when you're like, why are all these egg bits and how come it doesn't look like the batter is the right texture? It's just the way coconut flour is. It just takes time to absorb all of the moisture. And now, the best part ever.
Chocolate chip!
Yeah, chocolate chip.
Chip.
Okay, you do it. And you're just gonna fold in your chocolate chips with your spatula. So it's about half a cup of chocolate chips.
Mix.
Okay, so I have my standard size loaf pan. I have greased the sides here and here with coconut oil. And then I'm using unbleached parchment paper, because you know why? Because then when it's cooked, I can just lift it out like this. It's just so much easier. Okay, so you want to smooth out the top.
Yeah, you need to smooth out the top.
It doesn't have to be perfect. Spread them all out. So after 35 minutes, our banana bread is cooked to perfection. Okay, you grab that side, I'll grab this side. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that looks good. So we let it cool mostly on the rack, and now it is perfect for cutting. So this is a banana bread recipe I've been making for years. In fact, I've made it so many times I have it completely memorized. That is delicious. It's the perfect texture. Honestly, you would have no idea this is healthy. You would think this is made with white flour. It's that delicious. Cheers to our banana bread. Cheers. So there you have it, everyone. I think we should call this our best ever banana bread because I actually have so many banana bread recipes on joyoushealth.com, but this is definitely the one we make the most often. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, right, Fee? Thumbs up. Hit the little bell because then you will know when we post new videos. And also subscribe to my channel. So we hope that you have a joyous and healthy day. Bye, everyone. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Bye.
And some more banana.
Oh yeah, let's have some more banana bread. Yummy, yummy. Okay, blow on it, blow on it.